Do you want to make money on YouTube using short video? So this video for you. In this tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step process how we can create the short video and then how you can monetize your YouTube channel. So if you are watching first time my video, so don't forget to subscribe and watch this video till end. And if you have any queries, so and this channel got 6,40,000 subscribers only for using short video. Okay, and total views, the number of views you can see, and the total of views last 28 days, 27 million views. Okay, and estimated revenue here you can see last 28 days, like it could be minimum $269 and up to 1000 plus, and last 28 days it's more than $490. Okay, and scroll down, you will find the subscribers and the views and each and every single day. And scroll down, you will find the day and the subscribers changes and views and estimate revenue. That's mean the revenue changes. And here you can see Tuesday $7 to $28. The highest number is $24, 27, 28, 26. That's between 33. Okay, $69. That's a huge number. Okay, so each and every single day this kind of YouTube channel, they are making money. So how they are making money? So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create your video, and it's really easy. You can create a YouTube channel and also you can upload your video. So if you were watch to full process, like, so if you are a student and if you want to start your side hustle business, so you can start YouTube automation. And once you create a short video, you can produce like you can upload on TikTok, Facebook, as well as you can make money from there. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel and if you don't know how to create and how to set up and optimize your YouTube channel, so don't worry at all. So I have already a playlist. You can see 6 video hours there, AI faceless YouTube automation full course. Okay, just watch this tutorial step by step. You're gonna learn how to create a brand YouTube channel, and then how we can create the video, how we can write the script, each and everything I showed about there. Okay, and this channel producing only for short video. So how we can check this? You can see total shorts last 28 days views 147.8 million, long format 0 views. That's mean they are only uploading short video and they are just getting number of views and they are making money. It's a AI automation. This is called YouTube automation. Okay, so I have already a complete free course over there, so you can watch this. And if you have any queries, comment below how we can produce this kind of video, short video. And this kind of channel, they are making like a Reddit story video. Okay, so let's jump into our next part. I'm going to show you how we can create a short video. That's mean, so this is very easy. You don't need to hire someone. You can use ChatGPT or other AI tools. That's been the video creation tools. And if you don't know how to create AI video first time, so in the description just check out my Fiverr gig. You can place a order. I will help you to start. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use a tools. It's called short.ai. It's a AI story video, Reddit story video. You can use these tools and easily you can create Reddit story video. So why Reddit story video? Because if you want to start AI automation, so definitely you have to use a AI tool that gonna help you to create the AI video, ultimately short video. Okay, so this channel, like, they are producing AI video and they are getting huge views and subscribers and they are making YouTube money. Also they are making money through the affiliate commission, also the YouTube promotion, different kind of brand promotion. So let's check out what kind of videos you can produce. Here you can see different kind of formation, story, Reddit story, fake text, different kind of funny and engaging content that gonna get you more views and subscribers. So use these tools. This is amazing tools and I will show you how you can create a full video. Okay, so check out the description and create sign up and just use these tools. So first of all, just sign up with your Gmail account and click on go to dashboard. So I've already signed in, that's why I'm going to click on go to dashboard, and Alright, and here you can see Reddit story, convert Reddit post to video. So click on that. Alright, so you have to input your custom script, that's mean Reddit story, and also you can copy and paste from your Reddit story. Also you can write with AI. So here you can see this is the Reddit post description and the video script. Okay, so let's write something with AI. Here you can see, click on here. Also you can write the length, character length. Also you can do as a custom. So I'm going to click on AI writer. So this is the post description. So before writing the post description, make sure your style, this is the formation. Here you can see love you 99 plus 99 plus, different style. So you can change your, also you can rewrite this, already changed I love you. And here you can see you can also change the plus update. Okay, 99 plus, different style and different avatar you can choose, you can change. So let's write something here, I love you poem. Okay, all right, so everything is done. So next click on, so all right, so everything is done. It's time to select a background style. Okay, so let's select some background style. So I think which one is good, and do you want to so I think this one is cool. So click on that and click on next, and it's time to select the subtitle. That's really important. So click on that, and also you can choose your best subtitle as well as, and it's time to create the voiceover. So you don't have to hire a voiceover artist or using different tools to collecting the audio file. Okay, so in these tools it's a wall-in-wall. That's mean you can create everything. So this is the voiceover. So if you don't like this tone, so let's play the tone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
All right, so if you don't like this,
and here we have a calm,
so you can create this one. All right, also you can select different accent, different languages. Okay, so here you can say, so let's select this one, and it's time to generate the video. So click on generate video, and also you can add some music over here, background music. Click on background music, and this is the music you can select over here. Okay, so let's select the sonofall. Click on that, and also select more settings. That's mean the voice speed. So you can increase and decrease the voice speed. So I think 120, that's mean 120 is perfect. Okay, also the music is 65 is perfect. Everything is done. So it's time to generate the video. Click on generate video. Alright, so within a few seconds your video will be generated. Here you can see generating your video, and also you can safely leave this page and go to your project. Yeah, right now here you can see the video is ready. So it's only 6 seconds video. So you can elaborate this, you can extend this. That's pretty simple. Okay, so you can rewrite this text, also you can elaborate this text, and also you can increase the video length as well as.
You a prison or freedom? A poetic confession. Is loving you a sentence or liberation? A lyric revelation. Is loving you a prison or freedom?
Alright guys, so this is the final video guys. Pretty simple. Okay, as a beginner I think you can try this, like creating this kind of stuff videos, and when you can learn everything, and then you can produce good video, good quality video, definitely. Okay guys, and just upload your YouTube channel and just monetize your YouTube channel. Also you can promote your YouTube channel through Google Ads. Okay, so if you need any support and any help, please comment below, or you can text me through Facebook, or you can hire me on Fiverr. So I will help you to monetize your YouTube channel, upload and create different kind of AI videos that I already done. Okay guys, so if you find this video is helpful, so comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So I will come back with very soon with new tutorials. So stay tuned, see you in the next video.